Welcome. The Orchid neighborhood is a small subdivision of 2- and 3-story attached townhomes located just off Magic Mountain Parkway in Valencia, California. This video is presenting compliments of your local realtors and brokers, Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Built from around 2021, the townhomes are sized from approximately 1,579 to 2,158 square feet. Each home includes 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and some come with a covered patio or deck. Typically, in the 2-story townhomes, living areas are on the first floor and bedrooms on the second. In some 3-story homes, a bedroom is on the ground level, the main living space is on the second, and the other bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry facilities are on the third. Also, keep in mind there is a monthly HOA cost and an annual Mello Roos. The common areas surrounding Orchid are landscaped with a diverse selection of drought-tolerant plants and shrubs. Residents enjoy exceptional amenities at Confluence Park, which is conveniently located just about 3 blocks away. This includes a spacious clubhouse, swimming pools, a hot tub, comfortable lounge areas, a park, and more. Additionally, there are trails and unique park areas in various nearby locations within the larger community. For detailed information about local schools or nearby conveniences, we invite you to visit our website at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. There you'll find a comprehensive report featuring local information and, if available, listings of homes for sale. We sincerely hope you found this video helpful, and we're grateful for the opportunity to share insights about the homes and neighborhoods we serve. Remember, with us, there's never any sales pressure whatsoever. Have a great day. Bye for now.